Versick from Pittsburgh City Paper. I'm here at IKEA in Robinson Town Center, located just 10 minutes from downtown Pittsburgh. IKEA will inspire all of your home furnishing needs. Join me as we explore IKEA. IKEA.com's only a click away, so sign up online today to have your 2010 IKEA catalog sent to your home. With new lower prices on over 400 items, IKEA is making it more affordable than ever to furnish your entire home. IKEA makes it simple to make the most of your living space. You'll find that it looks and feels right at home. And IKEA mattresses?
Check out the first annual IKEA College Cookout and Dormroom Assembly Race. Here were the roles. 3 teams of students from local colleges were challenged to design, assemble, and recreate a dorm scene using IKEA items. Teams had 2 hours to work while the rest of us cheered them on and enjoyed live music and hot food off the grill. Team 1, the Design Stars. Team 2, the Purple Unicorns. Team 3, the Fashionistas. The winning team was chosen based on correct assembly, creativity, and overall design. Congratulations to the Purple Unicorns for coming in first place. We hope you enjoyed spending your $250 IKEA gift cards on some cool things for your dorm room. And thanks to all of the students who came out to participate in the first annual IKEA College Cookout and Dorm Room Assembly Race.
So baby, all you hear today, sweet taste of your lips. They got my Jones for another kiss.
Wanna wrap my arms around you, hold you close and my arms around you, yeah.
Slide a kitty cat on your tattoo. Come on to see your claws into my back too, oh Lord, yeah. But not so, no need to hurry, baby, that's the way that I prefer it.